The hollow moon theory suggests that the moon is hollow or contains a hollow interior, rather than being a solid celestial body. Proponents of this theory point to anomalies in seismic data and unusual observations made during the Apollo moon missions as evidence to support their claims. This unconventional theory has sparked debate and skepticism within the scientific community. The theory has its roots in ancient Greece, particularly in the works of philosophers like Plato and Aristotle. It evolved during the Enlightenment period in Europe and gained further prominence in the 19th and 20th centuries with the works of notable scholars and researchers. Some scientific theories propose the idea of a hollow moon based on seismic data that suggests unusual internal structures and composition. The implications of a hollow moon for humanity and the Earth are profound. The hollow nature of the moon could suggest the possibility of large, habitable underground spaces, which could potentially serve as future human habitats or bases for scientific research. Additionally, the concept of a hollow moon challenges our current understanding of planetary formation and could lead to advancements in our knowledge of celestial bodies. Moreover, the presence of a hollow moon may have far-reaching effects on Earth's tides and gravitational interactions, leading to new insights into the dynamics of our planet-moon system. Many conspiracy theorists believe that the moon is hollow and artificial, suggesting that it was constructed by an advanced alien civilization or even by humans from the future. The hollow moon theory is often misunderstood as claiming the entire moon is hollow, but it actually suggests there may be hollow cavities or structures beneath the lunar surface. A potential future exploration in relation to the theory could involve investigating its implications in real-world applications and possible solutions to complex problems. The hollow moon theory is a fascinating concept that proposes the idea of the moon being hollow and possibly artificial in nature. While the scientific community widely rejects this theory, it continues to captivate the imagination of conspiracy theorists and space enthusiasts alike.